Greetings to you all. This is your social science class. In this video, I am going to teach you about Indus civilization from Unit 3 History. We have already learned in the previous class the various stages of human evolution, rock painting, introduction weapons and their occupation, uses of fire and wheel, pot making. Now we are going to study about Indus Valley civilization. What's the meaning of valley? The valley means the low land between mountains or hills which often has a river flowing through it. What's the meaning of civilization? Civilization means a society with its own highly developed culture and way of life. Nearly 150 years ago, while building tracks, some workers came across the buried city of Karapa in present-day Pakistan. Archaeologists discovered that it was almost 4,700 years old. It was named the Karapa civilization. Later, many such cities were discovered all around the river Indus. Therefore, it is also known as the Indus Valley civilization. The four important and ancient world civilization. They are Mesopotamian, Indus civilization, Egyptian, Chinese. Mesopotamian is from 3500 to 2000 BCE. Indus civilization is from 3300 to 1900 BCE. Egyptian 3100 to 1100 BCE. Chinese is from 1700 to 1122 BCE. Initially, people lived in groups. Then they formed communities out of these groups. Then evolved the societies which in due course become civilization. Why did people settle near rivers? People prefer to settle near rivers for some reason. First one, the soil is fertile. Which soil is a fertile soil? Alluvial soil is a fertile soil, isn't it? Fresh water is available for drinking, watering livestock and irrigation. Easy movements of people and goods is possible. Discovery of a lost city, Karapa. The ruins of Karapa were first described by the British East Indian Company soldier and explorer Charles Mason in his book. When he visited the northwest frontier province, which is now in Pakistan, he came across some mysterious brick mounds. He wrote that he saw a ruined brick castle with very high walls and towers built on a hill. This was the earliest historical record of the existence of Karapa. In 1856, when engineers laid a railway line connecting Lahore to Karachi, they discovered more burnt bricks. Without understanding their significance, they used the bricks for laying the railroad. In the 1920s, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Karapa and Mohenjo-daro. They unearthed the remains of these long forgotten cities. In 1924, the Director General of ASI, what's the meaning of ASI? A for archaeological, S for survey, I for India. Sir John Marshall found many common features between Karapa and Mohenjo-daro. He concluded that they were part of a large photograph of the excavation sites or cities to understand the topography. To see under the ground, they may use a magnetic scanner. The presence and absence of archaeological remains can be detected by radar and remote sensing methods. Time span of Indus civilization. Geographical range South Asia. Period Bronze Age. Time 3300 to 1900 BCE. Determined using the radiocarbon dating method. We have already learned radiocarbon dating method in the previous lesson, isn't it? Area 30 lakhs square kilometer. Cities 6 big cities. Village more than 200. Okay, dear children, let me explain more about this lesson in the next part. So thank you, dear children. Keep social distance and learn social science.